1 and 2 together.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's free.
Wow, what's that?
It makes it free.
No, it's not 3, it's 12.
But really is it's 2 and 1 up top. This Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
I don't know what's inside, but
It's only
let's
Mickey.
see.
Look!
Oh.
Look!
Yeah, it's Donald Duck.
It's only to build up.
Maybe, or just collectibles. I don't know. Okay na. On siya. So, what is this?
It's like that.
I don't know what is inside.
Don't check.
Check.
Inside.
Let's close.
Oh,
Wait. So,
don't see. See?
what's that? It's a chipmunk.
No.
I think it's Dale or Chip.
That's only. He got a red nose.
Yes. You sure what is that?
Because look at him what he got. He got something in his hands.
It's the acorn.
Yeah, it's a squirrel
Yeah.
and no duck.
You like it?
No, but he got the red nose.
And what is that?
A shocky egg.
Julian has a shocky egg. Kinder Chocolate. Kinder Chocolate. Shocky egg. So it's an egg surprise or surprise egg.
We don't want any more because we already have one.
Ew. Oh, what is this? It's a different. Yeah. Just a half. What is this? Check. What is this?
A toy.
A toy.
And there,
And then what is this inside? Oh, it's a shocky. Then you need to spoon this one.
I like it.
Like this or into spoon. And then I'll fix this.
Oh, it is.
It's a Superman.
I don't think so.
Superman.
No.
He will fly away.
Oh no,
Show it.
he just fell down from my head. But he's okay.
Mm.
And look,
Oh, careful.
he's in the head. My head.
Yeah, your head.
It's a super head.
Super head.
No, wait a minute. Here again.
You eat the shocky. Oh, you get dirty. Or spoon. This one spoon.
Spoon.
So white chocolate.
White? No, brown. Just even brown. I like shocky balls.
2 hours later.
Hi guys! Mag-open na tayo ng December 13 bag Advents Calendar, guys! December 13 na po! Ayan! So, we'll be opening another bag for Juliet! Yes! Excited na masyado siya. Kinukulit na niya ako sa kusina. Sabi niya, Mommy, I want my bag! Ayan na! The bag is coming, baby! Patience!
Mommy, I got an idea.
What is it?
I got an idea. No, I want lower for me. Just lower.
Dito.
Where's the camera?
No, I don't.
Hi guys, you welcome for your tablet. Ooh, it's so funny. The left here, under here, I just see a zombie. Here goes me. Ah! You say shit.
So, here's your bag, baby. What happened to my camera? Oh, yeah! So, guys, December 13 bag.
Bertie, I don't see the picture. Let's check it. Bertie, there's
Open it.
7 and 3 are 5.
No, 7. It's 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
It's 13.
Oh, there's shop right.
Yeah, what else?
A drinker and a splitter and a squash.
What is squash?
A squash.
Ito naman yung ano niya.
Look, dry.
You like this?
Oh, look, there's this.
It's a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. What's a dragon?
Mwah. Eh. You like it? I think this scissor is let's check on ano siya. I think it's it's a zigzag.
It makes it a shark. Sharp teeth.
Shark teeth. Ting, ting, ting.
Sharp teeth. It's sharp.
Yum, 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 yum. So yeah, and you want to open this one first?
First the shocky egg.
Okay. It's an egg surprise. Wow! Boing.
This is good.
Then I'll help you open this.
No, I can do it. I can do it. You can open that. It's good. I can do it.
Ah! It's another Superman toy.
What's that Superman called?
They put like this. How is it? It's flat.
It looks like the one for sticking in the wall.
I think so. Like this. And then what do you do? It's like a bracelet?
Is it bracelet? Who will wear this? You?
No, you.
But the other one is for me.
Okay.
But the next one is for you.
Ah, it's like a USB cord. It's like this, guys. Kita niyo po. Ayan po siya. Ito, this one.
It's about, you can see some super, you can put that, and you can put that, or you can put that to the cable, and you can start your phone, your tablet to Superman watching. And you can watch Superman in your...
Hi guys! Mag-gift wrapping po tayo ngayong araw. Agoy, yung scotch tape ko, nilagay ko na dito yung yung already cut scotch tape here. Mag-aano po tayo mag-gift wrapping guys kasi malapit na ang Pasko. Gi-gift wrap ko na yung mga regalo for Julian. Ito muna yung malaki. Ayan guys, nag-gift wrap ko na po yung mga Christmas gifts for Julian. Ayan. Ayan po. Magla-lunch muna kami at matapos ng lunch, linis, laundry konti, arrange mga damit at arrange ng dishwasher and then advent calendar. So, ay, by the way, kahapon di ako nag-record ng video for Advance Calendar December 14 kasi busy si Mamshi, nag-live streaming. At thank you so much po sa mga sa mga pumunta sa live stream ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at sa niyo po sa pagpunta. At congratulations sa mga winners. Julian! Advents calendar na naman tayo guys, December 15. Whoa! Whoa! Who's a hyper? Hey! Get the balls please, go. Yes. Here, sit.
There's a book here.
Nice, take a book.
What, like?
Pretty coloring book. Yes, coloring book. Show the coloring book, please.
And then you can draw a giraffe and a zebra and a bear and a
You
butterfly.
can color it.
Yeah, there's a squirrel.
Can you color?
Not yet.
Want to color now?
No. First, eat.
Okay, first eat.
First, eat Shocky. There's Shocky balls with them. There's Shocky balls.
You
Thank you.
say. You like it?
You're welcome.
Okay, you say thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I just do his welcome.
Ay, ay, ay. Mm-hmm. It's good for 4 years and up. Coloring book, guys. The color. It's a fox. It's a fox or bum? It's a deer. It's a squirrel. You color slowly. Let's just all look on only this.
A bird and butterfly.
Yeah. Yesterday, December 14, I did not record a video when you opened the bag. What did you have yesterday? It's the, oh, this is mine. This is yours. What did you have yesterday? You have the Rubik's Cube and the... What toy did you receive? And Caesar? Was it Caesar also? No.
Shocky ball.
No.
This is so yummy. I will eat my Shocky balls up. Eat more. This is Shocky egg surprise.
Mm.
And I'll clean up this way. Mine. That's Julian's Shocky. Wow. Julian's red one. This is also mine.
Mm.
They look like yours.
That's yours. Slowly, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ko na, guys, hindi ko na record yung December 14 na yung bag because I was busy. But, ayan.
I like bags.
But I gave him the bag, but I did not record the video. I'll remove this first, be, para you not dirty this.
No, Shocky egg.
Iyan ko muna to kasi
Shocky
yung
egg.
kamay niya kasi medyo marumi. Sige na.
Look, I got another Shocky ball.
Ano kaya nasa loob ng your Shocky egg? Come, you want help? Saan siya na guys? Di ako nag-camera ngayon. Kasi medyo haggard si Mamshi. Naglinis kasi ako at naglaba. At nag-cover ng mga presents. Ano kaya tong toy?
Huh?
Oh, it's a, what's this?
It's a bandit.
I think it's a penguin.
How was like?
How do you...
That is the friend from Superman.
Maybe.
I think so.
No, it's the bad guy in the Batman.
Batman from Superhero.
The guys.
Mommy, can you remove this chocolate, please?
Yeah. Okay, yung mga ganito na ano ba? Egg surprise, Kinder surprise toys. Yung siyang ano yung pang pop balloon. Yung press mo. Mmm.
No, don't dirty my toy.
I'm not dirty your toy. I'm cleaning your face.
Huh. But the toy's getting dirty.
What? No, the toy's over there. Oh.
I like this toy in my mouth?
No.
No. Why?
I wipe it. This. I use this.
Ah.
Ay, gulay! Lakas mo kumain! Oy, oy, oy. I mean, there's more, a little bit more.
Mm. Nom, nom, nom.
Hmm.
Yummy. Yeah, ice cream.
Hmm.
Ice-
It's all yours.
It's ice cream. It comes with ice cream.
Hmm.
Ice cream egg. Or dyed it.
No more.
And surprise. It's so much.
Show it to Papi. And also this one.
You
Oh,
can do this. It looks like a ball pit. Look, it can put this thing like up and down.
Yes. It's like a... No, not plastic balloon.
It looks like Rafa's toy in home.
Yeah, the one plenty bubbles.
Yeah.
Ah! Pop-up bubbles? I don't know. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Nakalimutan ko. So, wait, Papi. Okay, he said this is the bad guy of the Batman. Batman is a superhero. Hi guys! Good morning, good morning. Ano na ngayon guys is Advent calendar again. Until 24 of December. Now it's December 16 and we'll be getting this one for Julian. Nasaan yung kamay ko? Ito. Ting, 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 ting. Yan. Kunin natin.
Then we go to my bedroom
And
and I'll put it
sit down
back.
there.
And I'll put it back in my nose, the nose of my toy elephant. Da, da, da.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi guys. You talk.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye guys.
Oh, this is your December 16 bag, Julian.
No.
Check.
No. Not.
That.
Sticky clean.
Yeah, but what is that?
Monster truck.
Yeah. Papi, look.
Monster truck.
It's not monster truck, it's a motor.
But monsters giving us for monster trucks.
Ah, monster truck dito pero motor siya, motorcycle.
Oh, and then this.
Yeah.
This.
They have trailer also. No? So this is
But With Shocky coin.
Yeah.
With Drinker.
Yeah.
With Dragonfly. I want this Shocky coin.
Yes.
Shocky coin.
What is this in the... Eh? Ah, hindi siya It's not balancing. It needs training wheels, Julian.
Yeah.
Toink.
Two.
Two training wheels here in the side. Para ano, toink. You like it?
Huh?
Ah, you can twist the ano. Want to turn the wheel over there or over there, over there, over there.
Right here. Let us eat a Shocky coin.
Yes.
Let us open one.
Yeah.
Mine.
Now you know how to open it. That's good.
Yeah.
Now give it to me.
Wait a minute.
What?
I got an idea. Can you give me cracker and put a two crackers and put a Shocky coin inside it, and now it'll be
A sandwich?
a Shocky sandwich.
You want?
Yeah.
I'll get. Okay.
Turning, but this is why. Many, many more. Banana. I am a motorbike. I think that thing's so cute. I don't see the picture. There are no pictures.
Yeah, it's okay. Go. Show them how you do it.
Did you this? I did it already.
Show it on the camera how you...
It's already in.
What's this Shocky? Shocky is from the Shocky coin.
Oh,
And then
there's a hair.
What?
There's a hair.
Oh, the air. You're falling here. So, now you eat it. How is it?
Good.
Good? Oh, mm.
Shocky sandwich coin. It's a coin sandwich. Shocky sandwich.
Hi guys! Bubukas na naman tayo ng paper bag. And it's 17th na paper bag. Kita niyo ba? 17th.
It got 1 and 7.
Yes. 1 and 7. And it's 17. It's December 17. Galing siya siesta, guys. That's why his face looks like this. He had an afternoon nap. Hey!
I'm annoyed because when Mommy doesn't give me back,
Oh,
I'll get annoyed. But I like my back
Yeah.
here already.
And don't get annoyed.
Okay.
Ay, ay, ay. Hindi ko alam. Ay, sige na. Oh, what's that? Oh!
Cool. There's another.
What's that?
It's a picture. I was pointing out this truck.
Yes.
It's a monster truck. It's already crushing it.
What's crushing it?
It's already crushing the car.
Oh, dear. may car sa ilalim. Already crushing daw. A monster truck
The monster is crushing it inside the bag.
You like it? You like it? What do you say?
Thank you. This Chucky coin.
Yes?
This was real.
Oh, it's yours.
But I want to share it.
Oh, okay, thank you. You want me to open this?
Yeah. And then we open it.
Yeah. Then show it to Papi. And you already have, how many monster trap you have? 3.
Yeah.
And look at this. Whoa! Jum, 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 jum.
Look this.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Look, it's
Tumbling. Toing. Hey! I think. You want to pee-pee? Oh, you can pee-pee.
Yeah.
Pee-pee na.
One coin left.
Yeah.
Don't eat this coin. That's my coin.
So yes guys, ngayon December 17 ngayon. So December 16, nag-ano kami dito sa bahay. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog. Nagluto lang ako ng pork menudo, pansit, chicken barbecue, at spicy mussels, tahong. So ayan. Kami lang, in-invite ko yung Filipina friend ko. Now, let's wash your hands over there. So, yes. Lang kami dito. Nag-dinner. Ayan, ang dilim. Go over there.
Wash, 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 wash. We want to hear. When you wash your hands.
Come. Go. Now you wash.
What?
Didn't get underwater. Oh, you burp. Look at your hand.
What? Two.
That's up. Wash more. Very good. Katik.
Yeah.
Yan. Nag-ano lang kami dito kagabi, nag-dinner with close friends. Hindi ako nag-invite ng maraming tao. Kasi, hindi pa ako ready. Hindi pa ako ready mag-party-party ng maraming tao. Selected lang. So, ayan, in-invite ko muna siya first. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nagkita. And then, we'll see in next Christmas holidays. Baka mag-invite ako ng maraming tao. Pero, for na, siya muna in-invite ko. Then, ayan, step by step. Kasi, Hi guys! Regarding sa sinabi ko na step by step, kasi guys, ilang years na kaya, guys, pang 2 years, 3 years, or, 4 years. Hindi, dati kasi, yung bago ko pinanganak si Julian, panay kasi kami party-party dito. At, panay ko in-invite yung mga close friends namin, ganyan-ganyan. Then, mahilig kasi ako magluto. Then, katapos noon, pagpanganak ko kay Julian, ayun na nga, may postpartum. So, then timing pandemic pa. So, bawal muna ang party-party, mga ganyan. So, yung pagpanganak ko, pa yata siya, months old. And then, ayoko po pa muna busy-busy sa kusina. Gusto ko focus kay Julian. Then, iningatan ko siya kasi yun nga yung pandemic. And then, pagka 1-year-old niya, yung Christmas, after 2019, 2020, ano pa rin ako, nag-iingat pa rin ako dahil sa pandemic, so hindi ako masyadong nag-ano ng mga party-party. Sinasabihin ako na asawa ko na don't worry, mga ganyan-ganyan. Gusto niya kasi makipag-mingle, mga ganyan. Sabi ko, if you want to mingle, then you can do that outside. But me, I'm not yet ready. I'm not yet feeling okay, and I'm not ayoko muna ma-stress sa kusina. Yan, sabihin ko na sa inyo, ayoko muna ma-stress sa kusina. Then, ayun nga, 2020, 2021, medyo luwag-luwag na yung pandemic, yung restriction, so, unti-unti ako bumabalik sa luto, pero naninibago ako. And then, pero nakikimingil ako sa mga ibang Filipinos, mga ibang pero sa labas, hindi po sa bahay. Ano lang yung mga birthday ni Julian dito, kasama yung mga friends niya, close friends niya. Di namin invite mga close friends namin kasi kung invite pa namin close friends namin, marami na masyado. So, yung birthday ni Julian, exclusive for his close friends. So, yun lang po yung invite namin. And then, this year, yun na nga, yung first, yun na nga, 2023. 2022, wala, parang kami lang yata, ng family ko. At, kami lang yata, parang pumunta yata kami sa isang bahay. Nung kami Christmas dinner, hindi ako sure, or, hindi, dito kami Christmas dinner. Basta isa sa mga, araw na yun sa Christmas holidays last year, parang pumunta kami somewhere. Then, this year, yun nga, dito sa amin, so, ayun, nandun ako sa kusina, naninibago pa rin ako. Pero na-get over ko. At actually, ilang months na po ako hindi nagtitake ng antidepressant pill. So, yun na nga, yung pagkabalik ko sa kusina, luto-luto, ganyan, medyo na ako, parang naninibago na parang sumasakit yung ulo ko. Pero, ayun, so far so good, it went well yung December 16, at nagustuhan ko yung mga niluto ko. Of course. At yun na nga yung mga bisita namin, nagustuhan nila, and na-miss daw nila yung luto ko. So, yan, thank you. So, yan guys, okay naman. So, we'll see. We'll see next year, next Christmas holiday. Baka mag-ano kami mag-organize ng party dito sa amin, step by step. Wag diretso. Ayun, that's why inaano ko yung sarili ko kasi the more people baka maguguluhan ako ba. So kaya ayun, in-invite ko muna yung yung matagal ko na hindi nakikita. So yun po yung na-invite ko, yung December 16. So yung iba nakikita ko pa rin. Lumalabas kami sa kumakain kami sa labas, ayan, sa lunch, or kita-kits kami sa kanilang bahay, or or sa somewhere in downtown. Ayan, yan. Don't you worry, may next time pa. So, we'll see on next year, Christmas holiday. Or, not only Christmas holiday, magkita-kits pa rin tayo sa sa mga, anytime, anywhere. Not only here. So, yan. Basta, yun na nga, hindi na ako nag-take antidepressant pill. I can say that I am okay. I feel okay. But we never know. Kasi, isang snap lang ng finger, parang nag-iba na yung ihip ng hangin. Until here muna tayo guys. Thank you so much for your support to my channel, to my videos. Sa mga hindi pa po nanonood ng videos ko, please watch my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell down below. Thank you so much, and God bless.